Hi there guys! So today we're heading to St. Paul University, Manila because it's my sister's graduation for her master's degree. So yan, kasama tayo sa mga kasama sa processional. So medyo nagmamadali na tayo. Time check, it's 7:25 and I'm here at Libertad. So processional starts at 7:30. So in 5 minutes kailangan namin lumipad papunta doon. So hopefully makaabot and makapag freshen up muna bago mag-processional. So samahan niyo ako doon. Okay. Graduation na nakapatid ko. Ayan. Yan, dito syempre. Ayan, she's graduating with her master's degree in master's degree in
guidance and counseling.
Guidance and counseling. So sa academe, ayan. So ako nasa graduate school. Yung brother ko nasa PE department, okay, ng isang university somewhere in the Visayas, and then she's with the elementary school. She's doing guidance and counseling. So yan, ilan na kami and papasok na kami for today's video. Bye!
Erica Marie A. Malakpak ka. Rivera Joyce Ann E.
Saan ko kaya sa'yo to?
Yes. Salamat sa libre.
Watch my face.
Okay, so we're done with the graduation ceremony and nakapag-lunch na rin kami sa Tim Ho Wan. So currently I am traveling and I'm going to Olivares College because we still have our academic industry meeting in the graduate school. So ayun, isa ako sa mga faculty as always ng grad school. So natin kung mga eksena mamaya. Busog pa ako. So see you later. Alright, so fast forward, nakauwi na ako. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina sa Academic Industry Board meeting kasi nga, syempre, yung mga confidential stuff tayong ginawa doon. And, syempre, it's all about, revisiting the curriculum and the program and updating it. So, expect some changes in Olivares College graduate school programs next academic year. So, yun yung mga pinag-meetingan namin kanina. So, yeah, it's been a very busy day for me today. So, maraming salamat for checking in. And this has been Dr. Ismo, your tourism authority.